Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, first of all, wish you all a very happy Dhanatrayadashi and wish you all a very happy and a prosperous and abundant Diwali. So guys, behalf of today's day, that is Dhanatrayadashi, let's see guidances from Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Kuber. So here's the message for you. Abundance in simple things. Remedy, enjoy simple joys of life. Beautiful message. And also, there is another message. Both of these messages are almost giving the same things. That, guys, in life we have a lot of stuff, but still we focus on what we do not have and we always focus on lack. In both of these messages, what is said is that we need to count our blessings, we need to value our blessings, we need to find, as here it is given, we need to find joy in simple things that we have in our life. If we are grateful, if we are thankful, yes, just see what difference it makes in your life. So this is what is given. I find abundance in the simple joys of life is the affirmation over here. And here in this message it is given, attract prosperity through gratitude, value your blessings. So the same thing, almost the same thing, that we always focus on what we don't have. We should focus on what we have, and that also changes our life in a very unexpected way. So focus on your blessings. You have two hands, you have two legs, you can see very properly, you can travel, you can do everything by your own. You need not take anybody's help. Why not focus on that? Every day you are lucky enough to see the new day, else we see a lot of death related news. So count your blessings. Also, there is a remedy given below. Recite Shri Suktam for prosperity. Remedy will be given on the screen or in the description or in the pinned comment. Let's see guidance from Lord Kuber. Okay. Manage resources wisely. Practice responsible abundance. So guys, a lot of them dream about being abundant, of being prosperous, but how many of you take practical steps? So here it is given that you need to take practical steps, being responsible and manage your resources wisely. So whatever money you have, please take care that you do not spend where it is not necessary. You spend it very wisely. Remedy, chant Kubera mantras for abundance. This will be also given in the screen or in the pinned comment or in the description. Thank you.